So it ain't slow. Our streets are dark. I'm at the front door right now. But every year I always have some type of footage so I can show y'all what it was really looking like. Yes. Look at this. That's what it looked like in Florida, y'all. Our lights out. Everybody probably tucked tight in the house. That's just that's just rising now. Back on the screen. Or to take me away.